Happy morning to one and all. Welcome back to science class. Children, so today I am going to explain keywords of 6th lesson, weather and climate. Okay children, so everyone take out your notes and write down keywords. Clear? So weather and climate keywords. Okay children, so weather and climate keywords. What is weather? Weather, temperature and other conditions like sun, rain, wind is known as weather. Temperature and other conditions like rain, wind, sun, heat, etc. are called weather. Temperature, rain, wind, so all conditions are called weather. Weather affects our life. Clear? What is weather? Temperature, sun, rain, wind are called weather. So weather affects our life. Next, forecast. Forecast. So what is forecast? The report that explains future conditions, future atmospheric conditions is called weather forecast. The report that explains future conditions of atmospheric conditions. Okay, that is known as forecast. A report of future conditions. Future atmospheric conditions. Clear? Next, third one, temperature. What is temperature? The measurement of hotness or coldness is known as temperature. So, the temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold place of a thing. Okay children? So, temperature is nothing but hotness, the measurement of hotness and coldness of a particular thing or place is called temperature. Temperature is measured by thermometer. What is thermometer? Okay children, what is thermometer? Thermometer, the instrument used to measure the temperature. Okay, measure temperature. Measure temperature. So what is thermometer? The instrument used to measure the temperature of a hotness or coldness of a particular place or thing is called thermometer. Next, climate, part of weather. Climate means particular place, atmospheric conditions, particular place of weather report, particular place of weather report, particular place of weather report. Okay children, so write down Mang fast. Climate is nothing but particular place weather report. Next, humidity. Humidity. So what is humidity? The quantity of water vapor present in atmosphere is known as humidity. Percentage of water vapor in atmosphere is known as humidity. What is humidity? Percentage of water vapor in atmosphere is known as humidity. Clear children? Write down fast. Okay. So next, rain gauge. Rain gauge. So rain gauge is nothing but the instrument used to measure rain. Measurement of rain. Okay, measurement of rainfall. Okay children, so what is rain gauge? Measurement of rainfall. Okay, write down. Is it clear now? Okay, write down. So next, hydrometer. What is hydrometer? Measure of humidity. Measurement of humidity. Okay children, measurement of humidity. Clear? See here, weather. Once again, I am reading the keywords. Everyone listen carefully the pronunciation of keywords. Weather, weather, forecast, forecast, temperature, temperature, thermometer, thermometer, climate, climate, humidity, humidity, rain gauge, rain gauge, hydrometer, hydrometer, measure of humidity, measure of okay, humidity. Next, next, anemometer. Now I am going to rub. Write down fast children. Ninth one, anemometer. What is anemometer? Measure the wind speed. It is an instrument used to measure the wind speed. Measurement of wind speed. Clear? Measurement of wind speed. Next, IMD. IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. Okay, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department measure the study the climate of our country. Department. Okay, study about climatic conditions, okay, of our country. IMD, full form, Indian Meteorological Department. So clear? Indian Meteorological Department. It is what is the function of this department? So it is used to study the climatic conditions of our country. Clear? Next, weather report. Weather report means past conditions. Past. It explains about past conditions. Past conditions means past climatic conditions. What is weather report? Explains about past conditions. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Doctors use it in hospitals. Okay. Clear? Clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. Thermometer used in labs. Okay. Clinical thermometer doctors use in hospitals. Laboratory thermometers used in labs. Next, Celsius scale. Celsius scale 0 to 100 degrees centigrade. The scale have the readings 0 to 100 degrees centigrade. Fahrenheit scale. Okay, children, enough. Okay, so these are the new keywords you are going to learn in this lesson. Clear? So once again I am reading anemometer. Anemometer, measurement of wind speed. IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, studies about our weather conditions of our country. Weather report, it explains past conditions of weather. Clinical thermometer, doctors use this thermometer in hospitals. Laboratory thermometer, used in labs. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, Reimer scale, these are the different scales of temperature. Clear? Okay, write down. Right, ma, fast. anemometer, IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, weather report, clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, Celsius scale. If you want to write Fahrenheit scale, Reimer scale also you have to write.